Chapter 11, Sound and Hearing, and the topic is sound waves. Let's know about the nature of waves. A wave is a rhythmic disturbance that transfers energy. All waves are made by something that vibrates. Actually, when sound comes from source, it spreads in the form of waves, and sound energy travels through the air in a series of compression and rarefaction until it reaches the ear. You can look in the given diagram. The darker lines are showing compressions and space between them are showing rarefactions. The sound waves are actually mechanical waves, means they need medium to travel. There are two basic types of waves, that is transverse wave and compression wave, which is also called a longitudinal wave. Each sound wave is a set of compression and rarefaction. Each compression makes crest, mean top, peak of wave from its rest position, and each rarefaction makes trough, below from its mean position, means rest position. Let's know about the wave properties. First, we will start from wavelength. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive crests or trough. Look towards the diagram. And the second property is the frequency, means number of vibrations per second, and it is expressed in unit hertz, which is denoted with capital H and small z. Very important statement. Wavelength has an inverse relationship to wave frequency. It means high frequency sound wave which has more number of vibrations has shorter wavelength. Look towards three types of the waves 1, 2 and 3 which are of same length but have different number of vibrations. For example, wave 3 has high frequency but short wavelength. Sound speed also depends on medium and temperature. In dense medium, for example solid, it travels speedily, and at high temperature, particles vibrate quickly and they pass energy to the next particles very quickly. In this way, the sound travels very quickly in the solids. Light is also a form of energy, but it is different from the sound. It is slower in the dense medium, but it is fast in vacuum. Interference. When two or more waves overlapping means mix, they form a new wave. This formation you can observe in the given diagrams. Sound qualities, that is pitch and loudness. But first we will discuss pitch. We relate pitch with frequency. Pitch enables us to differentiate a man's voice from a woman's voice or a child's voice from an adult's voice. Actually, pitch is measured in terms of frequency. If an object vibrates very fast, it produces a sound with a high frequency, which is perceived as high pitch sound, as woman's voice. Girls, you know very well, woman has shrilling voice, mean it disturbs more, and it is having a high pitch sound than a man's voice, which is louder and has more energy. And you can observe the given waves and think which sound wave has a high pitch. Observe it. Healthy humans can hear from range that is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Ultrasonic sounds has a frequency greater than 20,000 Hz. For example, dogs, bats, and medical diagnoses. Sounds are ultrasonic sounds. Infrasonic sounds has a frequency below 20 Hz. They are just felt. Both cannot be detected by human ear. Let's do comparison of two musical instruments that are called string instruments to understand pitch and frequency. It has observed that short and thin strings vibrate more and by plucking and produce high pitch music sound, while long and thick strings vibrate less by plucking and produce low pitch music sound. Another way we can change the pitch is to change the tension of the string. Means if we tighten that specific string, then it will produce high pitch sound. Loudness and amplitude. It's also a quality of sound. We relate it with amplitude, means intensity. energy of sound. This corresponds to the height of the sound wave. A loud sound carries more energy, means high amplitude, than a soft sound. Look towards diagrams. In the first diagram, the quieter, soft sound has less amplitude, means short height, while louder sound carries more energy and it has more height. In the second diagram, first wave is also showing low pitch sound and second wave is showing high pitch sound. Loudness is measured in a decibel scale and it is denoted with dB, small d, capital B. Musical sound. Last, musical sound and noise. Noise irritates us. It means noise waves have irregular pattern, while musical sounds give us pleasure. Music waves has a regular pattern and deliberate pitches. Sound quality describes differences of sound that have the same pitch and the loudness. Observe your wave patterns in the given diagram. Dear students, we have completed our Unit 11 with the qualities of sound and the properties of the sound. Hope so you have understood well. Thank you.